Hello students, today we will learn racialization of surds. What is the racialization of the surd? What is its meaning? So, racialization of surd means it is the process of multiplying a surd by another surd. Process of multiplying a surd by another surd so that the product is a rational number, is called racialization. Suppose there are two surds. There are two surds. One surd is 4 plus root 3. We have to make it rational. So we will multiply it with another surd 4 minus root 3. If the product of these two is a rational number, then it is called the racialization of surd. Racialization of surd means process of multiplying a surd by another surd so that the product is a rational number. It is called racialization. And each surd is called the racializing factor of the other surd. Each surd is called the racializing factor of the other surd. So suppose if there is any irrational number like this, 4 plus root 3. What will be its racializing factor? Here it is the rule. If a plus root b, then its racializing factor will be a minus root b. Its racializing factor will be a minus root b. Similarly, racializing factor of a minus root b will be a plus root b. They are also called conjugate of each other. They are also called conjugate of each other. So it's RF, racializing factor, we will write RF. It's clear? Racializing factor. So RF of a plus root b will be a minus root b. RF of a minus root b will be a plus root b. And why? Because you can see here their product is a rational number, a minus root b. This you can simplify by which formula? X plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y is equal to what? X square minus y square. X square minus y square. What is in place of x? In place of x is a. In place of y is root b. So it is x square minus root b whole square. There is one formula, x plus y into x minus y. If in one bracket there is the sum of two numbers, in the other bracket there is the difference of the same two numbers, then this product is equal to x square minus y square. So it will be equal to a square, and when you will do the square of any square root number, it will become a square minus b, which is a rational number. Here it will come out a rational number. So you remember this thing. RF of a plus root b is a minus root b. RF of a minus root b is a plus root b, because their product is a rational number. Similarly, RF of root a plus root b, root a plus root b will be root a minus root b, and RF of this will be root a plus root b, because their product is also a rational number. It's clear? So what is racialization? It is the process of multiplying a surd by another surd so that the product is a rational number. एक सर्ड को दूसरी सर्ड से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर अगर प्रोडक्ट एक रेशनल नंबर हो, that process is called racialization. And both the surds are called racializing factor of the other. It's clear? Now here you have to racialize 4 plus root 3. It's clear? So you can see here, if we multiply 4 plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3, what will be the product? We will apply this formula, 4 plus root 3, 4 minus root 3. What is in place of x? 4. It is 4 whole square In place of y, root 3 whole square. 4 whole square is 16. Root 3 whole square is 3. That is equal to 13. Means the product is a rational number. Means the RF of R 4 plus root 3 is this. RF of 4 minus root 3 is 4 plus root 3. Now see here. What will be the RF of 2 root 5? RF of 2 root 5. So you see the third part. Here third part is root 5. Third part is root 5. And it is in the third of a prime number. It is a third of square root of a prime number. It is the square root of prime number. It is clear? So what will be its RF? Its RF, you can say it is 2 root 5. It is clear? Because if you multiply both 2 root 5 into 2 root 5, so it will become equal to what? It will become equal to 2 2 ja 4, root 5 into root 5, 5 into 5. That is equal to 4 into 5, that is equal to 20. Means we can say that its RF is this. It's clear? But this is not the correct thing. This is not the correct answer. Because RF should be in the simplest form. It will be in the simplest and lowest form. It will be in the simplest and lowest form. It's clear? There should be no other term. It's clear? So you can see here 2 root 5. If we multiply this with the root 5, what will be? 2 root 5 into root 5. It will become equal to how much? 2 root 25. 5 5 cha 25. The square root 25 is 5. So 2 5 cha, this is 10. It's clear? Here it is not equal. Here I have rationalized this. It's clear? I have rationalized this. It's clear? By multiplying with the root 5. It's clear? So this way you will find the RF. For example, there is one more. You find out the RF of 5 root 12. So its RF is not root 12. First you simplify this. Here 5. When you will simplify 2 2 ja 4 3 ja. So its pair has formed 5 into 2 root 3. That is 10 root 3. So what will be the RF? Here RF will be simply root 3. It will not be root 12. It will not be 5 root 12. It's clear? It will be only root 3. Because you can see here 5 root 12. Just now you have written 5 root 12. You have simplified as 10 root 3. So 10 root 3 into root 3. What is root 3 into root 3? 3. 10 3 ja 30. It's clear? So this way you will find the RF. Now see here. Here we will do some questions. From that it will clear more. Now you can see example 2. I am going to do. In that you have to rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means you have to convert denominator into rational number. You have to convert denominator into rational number. It is 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2 divided by root 48 plus root 80. Here we have to rationalize the denominator. It's clear? Here from ML Agarwal I am doing. This is rationalize the denominator. So here you have to rationalize the denominator. So you can see the denominator. So you can simplify. First you simplify this. Root 48 plus root 18. It's clear? Root 48 you can write 16 into 3. Root 18 you can write 9 into 2. What is square root 16? It is 4. 4 root 3. Square root 9, 3 root 2. It's clear? Means it had become equal to how much? 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2 divided by 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2. So what will be the RF of denominator? You can see here. What is the RF of denominator? It is 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Here it is in plus sign, so RF will be 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. It's clear? So you multiply numerator and denominator by 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. So you can see here, it will be equal to 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. In denominator 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2. This is 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. It's clear? So now you see here. Here it is 4 root 3 multiplied by this bracket plus 5 root 2 multiplied by this bracket. So you multiply 4 root 3 multiplied by 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2 into this bracket 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. This is like a plus b, a minus b. What is in place of a? So 4 root 3. In place of b, it is 3 root 2. It's clear? A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So you can write 4 root 3 whole square minus 3 root 2 whole square. When you will simplify further, 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. Now see here, how will you do? 4 4 ja 16. Here all the surds are of same order. All are square roots, so they can be multiplied. 4 4 ja 16. Root 3 into root 3, root 9. Minus 4 3 ja 12. Root 3 into root 2, root 6. Then see here, 5 4 ja 20. Root 2 into root 3, root 6. Then plus minus, minus 5 3 ja 15. Root 2 into root 2, root 4. Divided by 4 root 3 whole square, 16 into 3. Minus 3 square is 9 into 2. So you can see here 16 square root 9 is 3. Now see here, minus 12 root 2, 6 plus 20 root 6. So when you will take common root 6, what will you get inside the bracket? Minus 12 plus 20, that is equals to 8. So it will be 8 root 6. Minus 15 root 4 is 2. 16 3 ja 48 minus 80. Now you simplify, it is 48 plus 8 root 6 minus 30 upon it is 30. 48 minus 30 is 80 plus 8 root 6 upon 30. Now you take 2 common. When you will take 2 common, so it is 9 plus 4 root 6 upon 30. So on cancelling, so it will be equal to 9 plus 4 root 6 upon 50. So this way you can convert the denominator into a rational number. It's clear? This is the rationalizing the denominator. Now you take one more example 3. Here you can say, here simplification you will do very carefully because there are more chances of writing the wrong number. It's clear? So you will do very carefully. Now root 2 is given here 1.414 and root 3 is given 1.732. You have to simplify this value. You can see 4 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 3 here 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. It's clear? Then find the value. You have to find the value. So all of you see here. Here it is 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 and here it is 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. It's clear? So you can see, if you see here, the denominator, what is the RF of this? It will be 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2, which is this. And what is its RF? It is 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2, which is this. So what will you do? We will not rationalize separately. If they are different, something different, suppose here it is 3 root 5 and 2 root 7, then we have to rationalize the denominator. We will, then in that case, we have rationalized denominator here as well as here, and then after that we have found the value. But here it is not. Here denominator of one fraction is the RF of other fraction. Denominator of one fraction is the RF of other. So you take the LCM. So I am taking the LCM. 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Now this will multiply with this, so it is 4. 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 3, this will multiply there, 3 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2. Now open the bracket, 4 3 are 12 root 3 plus 8 root 2, 3 3 are 9 root 3 minus 6 root 2. Then here it is a minus b, a plus b, so it will be equal to 3 root 3 whole square minus 2 root 2 whole square. Now simplify. So 12 root 3 plus 9 root 3 equals to 21 root 3. 8 root 2 minus 6 root 2, so it is equal to 2 root 2. In denominator, what is 3 square? 9. Root 3 का square is 3 minus 2 square is 4. Root 2 का square is 2. So you can see it is 21 root 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 9 3 are 27 minus, so it is 21 root 3 plus 2 root 2. And what is 27? That is equal to 90. Now you substitute the value. So I am substituting the value, 21 into 1.732 plus 2 into 1.414 upon 90. So this simplification you can do. Here it is very simple. 1.732 into 21. So this comes out 30.9372. 30.9372 plus when we will multiply, so 2.828. It's clear? Divided by 19. So here it is plus 2.828 divided by 19. So this is equal to 1.777 and so on. So you write up to 3. This will be the value. So this way you can find. So if it is like this, if the expression is like this and denominator of one fraction is the RF of other, and denominator of other is the RF of this, then we will take the LCM. In that case, we will take the LCM. It's clear? And if it is not so, then we will separately simplify. In that case, we will separately simplify. See here. There may be the chances of error, so you do carefully. It's clear? So, example 4. That calculation you will check in the previous question. There may be some error also. √2 plus √3. So you will check the calculation. Plus 3√2 upon √6 plus √3 minus 4√3 upon √6 plus √2. So see here all the denominators are different. All the denominators are different. So we will simplify them separately. It's clear? So how will you simplify this? √6 √2 plus √3. What is RF here? RF of denominator is √2 minus √3. √2 minus √3 divided by √2 plus √3. √2 minus √3. It's clear? You have to multiply in numerator as well as in denominator. So in numerator √6 into √2, √12 minus here it is √2 whole square minus √3 whole square. So now you can simplify further. √12 is what? 2 2 ja 4 3 ja. √18 is what? 3 3 ja 9 2 ja. And here √2 square is 2 minus 3. So here it will become in numerator pair of 2 has formed, so it is 2√3 minus 3√2, denominator minus 1. So when this minus will go up, what will happen? It will become minus 2√3 plus 3√2. Its value is this. Now you simplify this. 3√2 upon √6 plus √3. So what will be RF? It will be √6 minus √3. So it will be 3√2 √6 minus √3. It's clear? In denominator it will be √6 plus √3. In the other bracket √6 minus √3. When you will simplify, it is 3√2 into √6. So √2 into √6 √12 minus 3√6 divided by here √6 whole square minus √3 whole square. Now in numerator 3 is common. It is √12 minus √6. √6 whole square 6 minus 3. So it is 3. √12 half, what will you write? √12 can be written at 2√3. It is 2√3 minus √6 upon 3. So 3 cancel. So what will you get? 2√3 minus √6. So you write down these values here. You will write these values here. Here this is minus 2√3 plus 3√2. Now here it is 2√3 minus √6. When you will simplify the third one comes out 3√2 minus √6. 3√2 minus √6. It's clear? Since there is minus sign, so you will write in bracket. You write that in bracket. Now open the bracket. Plus 3√2. 2√3 minus √6 minus 3√2 plus √6. Now further simplify. Minus √6 plus √6 cancel. Plus 3√2, this is cancelled. this is cancelled, everything has cancelled, resulting 0. So in this exercise, only up to this, in this lecture only up to here. Now few more question I will do in the other lecture. So one more lecture I will do on this exercise 1.5. So you do some questions of this. The questions which are in the beginning means here each questions you can do. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, even 5 also you can do. It's clear? Even 6 also. 6 is the same thing. Here denominator of 1 is the conjugate of other. So you will take the LCM. You will not separately simplify. So thank you.